Nicola. Today I'm going to... My cat's in the bag. Dotty. Come here. Cheeky girl. Oh, she's gone down now. Sorry about that. So, back to it. Today, I'm going to show you to make some simple pop-up cards. So what you need is some card. Could be thin card, like this one. You can use colours if you want, or you could just use it as white. I've chose to use some colours, but I haven't got coloured card, so I've got some paper and I've got some white card. So inside the white card, I have stuck some paper. This is going to be my grass and this is going to be my sky. But I'll show you how to make the simple cards first. So first of all, you need to cut on here. It's 2 centimetres across and it's 2.5 centimetres down. So it's going to look like that. Okay. Now that bit is going to fold inside your card like that. Can you see if I put it on that angle? Maybe you can see better. There we go. That's a bit easier. So I will then get this, because we don't want to really see that hole on there, do we? It doesn't look very good. So we're going to use the paper. You'll be better with card. But I haven't got any, unfortunately, to stick over like that. Got this glue. This is easier to use, but you can use PVA glue. I just find this a bit easier for stuff like this. Take off the lid first. Nearly forgot that. Pop the glue on, nice and easy like that. There we go. I'm going to put a cross on so it sticks in the middle too. Pop that there. Put the lid in, I think, just so it doesn't stick to the carpet. So now this can go on. Stick it on. So now you can't see the hole. So that looks a bit better. That's the only reason that we do that. Stick that on there. Now for mine, I want to put some grass on. So I've got this, just cut a piece of pale green colour out. Need my glue again. Pop some glue on there. Stick that on the bottom. There. And then I've got character here. This is Dotty, same as my cat's name actually. I've put this on a link for you, so you can have this, or you could do your own. You can have a photo. It could be any image you want. But I've put a few illustrations on a link below, so you can use these if you prefer. I've done some that you can colour in, some that you can just print out. So I'll stick this on now. Put the lid off. Trying to take bottom off instead of lid then. Oh my, aye. There we go. And stick her on there. So that's the front. I've just put sending you inside. This bit here, which I showed you earlier, I'm going to stick the cat on. So she should pop up when I open it. She'd better pop up when I open it. Put a bit on there and a bit on there, a bit fiddly. Stick her on. Really, you should let the glue dry before you try and open it. Let's hope it works. So, got that on the front. It says, sending you. And when I open it up, yay, it does work. Lots of hugs. So that's how you make them. It's not very hard. Quite easy. I managed it, so it must be easy. So there we go. I've made some cards that are available on my Redbubble page. There are also other gifts available on there too. You'll find the link below. I also write and illustrate children's books. They are available on the link below. I have also attached links to my social media and email if you would like to contact me. Thank you for watching.